Hey friends, this is the Capitol building here. You can see that. This is how it looked from the bottom when you see at the top of the dome. And this is the pretty much we're on the second floor, I think. And there is a library here, which is on this side. I'm not sure whether the library is open or not, but there is a chance that library might not be open. Let me see. Yeah, library has been closed, but yeah, you can come here if you want. And this is the other side of the Capitol. You can see that Capitol look really pretty, actually, really very pretty. And the painting which has been done here, the sculpture and everything, all this Greek god and goddesses which has been put here. And there are also, I think, some founder and all those things, but most of them are actually mythological character from the Greek and Roman mythology. And this is the General Assembly. I don't think so there will be a entry allowed, but let me try once. Maybe. Okay, this is closed. So yeah, let me show you the other side. This is the one. You can see that. And which is amazing. I really enjoyed that place. You can see. Let me show you the ground floor, which is over there. You can see that's the ground floor. And so yeah, this is pretty much it. And this is the dome, which is the most beautiful part of the entire building, I would say. There is no entry for public to the dome, but yeah, you can come here in Monday to Friday and you can see all this place. And I would say it's totally worth coming. See. And there is huge painting over here, which is looking majestic. So there is staircase to downward. Thank you so much for watching, and follow us on social media.